Hey, tumbleweeds! I'm at the RV park in Tucson, and I haven't been doing much of anything since I've been here. Uh, it's just a very partially empty RV park, and there's just not a lot to do here. So I tried to start doing art again, and discovered that I'm in the mood to do pastels, and unfortunately I gave all of my pastel supplies away when I hit the road. So I had to order some. Oh, actually I stopped at an art store in Tucson and bought a few things, but that's very expensive. Amazon is much cheaper, so I'll show you what came today and what I'm working on. So this is what came today. And I'm so excited to see what's in this box. Snellier is a very soft pastel. Ooh, look at those delicious colors. It almost makes me want to eat them. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, I can't wait to get started on that. Okay, and here's what I was working on that, well, I'll show you in just a second what I was working on. So these pastel pencils and these pan pastels are what I purchased at the art store, but they were just not hefty enough, I guess you could say, to do what I want to do. So I had started working on this painting, and I've got it in a piece of plastic to keep the pastel from going everywhere. Sorry for the reflection. So the pan pastels did okay, but I really needed a larger assortment of colors. And the pencils, well, they're more for more detailed work. So these pastels that I just got here should help me make this sunset look much, much, much more beautiful. I don't know, you might recognize I posted this picture. I don't think I put it in the video, the last video. I might have, but I think I posted it on Facebook. So anyway, I started going back through all my old art videos, and I'm just going to share some clips of those with you so you can see kind of where I came from. I used to be an artist and sold my work online in my own gallery and in a little gallery in Old Town Albuquerque. And since life gave me lemons, I've been trying to make lemonade, but the lemonade's not coming out too sweet, so we're going to try one more time. Okay, enjoy the clips.